Hey guys, what's up? Super Bass, well, now just Bass OG, playing some white noise with the OP Sniper, Orbit Cyrus, and Super AWOL. Say what's up, everybody.
What's up?
What's up? It's your boy AWOL.
Alright, well, let's get this thing started.
Howdy.
Game first, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so, I don't know. This is my second time playing this game, and I'm still gonna get scared. Pretty much, right? This is my second time playing this game, so let's try it out.
First one screams is a girl.
Got on my grandpa diapers.
Oh, this is some scary crap, guys.
Extra high.
I know, same here. Alright, I lost you guys stuff. Alright, hold on. You guys gotta go a little slow. Alright, so artsy is to run. No, oh crap, well both of them want to run then. Alright, so we're looking for tape recorders, right? I'm pretty sure that has that
already.
But don't worry, are you the chick? Is that you?
Oh,
Where you at, AWOL? Oh, it's that you. This one over here? I saw one over here somewhere. That's good. We're all sticking together. You're the one by yourself, AWOL.
How about you guys don't move?
I think we're at the church. No, we're at some log house. Yeah. I'm gonna go in here just to risk it.
Right here.
Yeah. Is anybody following me into the house?
Keep your flashlights on.
I just turned my, oh god, it's dark as hell when you turn it
I
off.
found the logging house.
Alright, well it is a
Look,
point.
I'm right here.
Uh-oh.
Is he behind me? No, he's not behind me.
Static.
Oh, the static means that there's a tape recorder.
Stop. We're right
Oh god, that was a creepy ass girl. Anybody else hear it?
here. Static's a tape. It's right here.
Whoa, whoa, what the hell?
Yeah, it's right here.
Whoa, that was weird. I mean, that was already 2 in like, what, 2 minutes? Damn. Yeah, this one seems a little pretty easy. I don't know, I'm still probably gonna get scared. Alright, let's get the hell out of this log house.
Tapes to be found. It gets harder as it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Stick to the trail.
Oh, I found a bridge over here, guys. Where you picked up that tape, baby?
Alright, so let's get this started. Where you see him? Where's he at? Where'd you guys go?
Oh, I see him.
I found the bridge.
Oh, here's the bridge. I think this is the
Wait,
bridge.
where's your...
What the hell? I saw the flash, but I don't...
Shit.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Alright, don't make sure, guys. Don't run. Do not run. If anything, don't run.
That doesn't count as a screen.
Alright, so me and AWOL are stuck together. We lost you guys. Oh, well, there you guys are. You guys are. Oh god, he's at the shore right. He's right there to your right. He's right there to your right. Keep walking, AWOL. You lead the way. Lead the way. No, don't run. Damn, their calves are amazing. Oh god. I just noticed that. Like, just look at your calves. Like honestly, like everybody come next to. Oh god, he's behind us. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. That's what I'm saying. He's going way too fast. He's going like way too fast.
Last time when we went hunting, man for himself just pops out, fuck you, I'm gone.
Pretty much. Oh god, I'm scared. He's behind me. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, the tape recorder.
Oh, you guys can have that thing. Turn around in case you get back here.
Where is it? Where's the tape? I can still hear it, but where's the tape? Is it in the mouth of this thing?
I got it.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, that's a lot. That's so good. You guys are leaving me behind. Where up?
Wish I could climb this
I
tree.
think I just-
Sexy tree. He always gets one from the back first. Oh, don't look at that thing. Don't look at that thing.
Dead ass. Oh yeah, I forgot you died. Dead ass. God, dude, hey, well, your character is flat as a 12-year-old boy. I swear to God. Oh cow. All of you guys are flat like a 12-year-old boy.
Oh, I wanted to
Man, you guys are lagging. No, you guys are as flat as a 12-year-old boy.
Flat? Wow.
As flat.
Oh, I didn't know
Like your body. Look at that, man. You're like, what? Ant bites? Jesus Christ. Alright, let's get this started. Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, the thing over there. You can't
I'm scared, dude. I'm scared.
We need to turn around.
Alright, maybe he's trapping us. Maybe he's trapping us in a dead end or something.
over here. Eat the ginger. Eat the ginger.
My flashlight's
Eat the
on
ginger.
there, Bob.
Oh!
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. He's to our left. Go right, go right, go right, go right. Alright, so we found 3 tape recorders, so let's put them on the last.
We got 3 tapes, correct?
Yeah, we got 3 out of what, 8? We educated. Let's see what it says.
Hey, dude, it's a sign. There's no writing. It's tits on the wall.
I'm done.
Oh.
Oh god, I don't want to go into him. He's right there to like directly to my left. I don't want to go into him.
Run.
No, don't run. Distract. I don't know. I don't want to look.
Ah, he is, yes.
Oh yeah, he's right behind me. He's right.
I'm dead.
No,
I'm dead.
Slow down. I'm dead. Slow down. Whoever's in the black suit, slow down.
He's still right there.
AWOL, slow down. AWOL, slow down. AWOL, slow down.
I'm dead. If you guys look around, I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm afraid to turn around.
He's right back there.
Hurry up. He's not even behind it. Oh god, I almost fell off the bridge.
If I didn't know any better, yeah, turn around, go back. I think it was blocking on the right to keep us from getting it. There were statues next to it.
Oh, turn around. Go this way. Oh god, I just saw him. Oh my god,
He
this
was
is
up there.
scary.
I'm pretty sure he was blocking the tapes.
Alright, so he was to our right. From right here, he was to our right. And I don't hear any static.
See, there's statues. Here, there's a tape. I got it.
Hey, don't look at that green thing to your left. Don't look at that green thing to your left.
I'm gonna go 4 for 4. Ready?
Go for it.
I'm
Damn, AWOL is 4 for 4 right now.
Oh, shit myself. That got so screaming. I never really do scream. I don't know.
I wonder what happens when we get all of them. What do you think happens when we get all of them?
I'm pretty sure he eats our ass.
I'm pretty sure we still die. Like, I'm pretty sure there's no winning this game. Whoa. Yo, guys, you guys need to slow down. I'm gonna
We
die.
only do 2 gameplays in this, like 2 rounds.
Yeah, we can.
I don't know.
Part 1, part 2.
Alright, we're gonna go left or right.
Let's take a right. I'm feeling right. I'm feeling right. Alright, take a left.
Oh god, he's to our right.
No, but this is going right. Okay, whatever.
This is left.
This is okay, whatever. I get it.
Road 40.
Oh yeah, sure. Can you guys slow it down? I'm gonna die. My guy's fat. You gotta slow down.
Oh, he's behind us.
And that's why I said slow down. I'm gonna get picked up.
These guys bad.
Don't look to your right, there's a green thing.
Alright.
There's a statue right over here.
I know. Slow it down, Velma. Slow it down.
Oh, he's right behind us. He is right behind us.
I don't believe. Okay, I believe you now. Slow down, guys. Slow down. Whoever's the blonde chick, slow down. Alright, so OP, you're ready.
Oh, he's right there left.
Alright, come on, Cyrus. We can do it. Cyrus, how are you going so fast? Slow down. Well, you're not supposed to run though. Oh, I died. Are you serious? I died. I told you slow down. I told you slow down. I died.
Slow down.
I told you slow down. No, I'm already dead. I'm a ghost. You guys. Wait, hold on, guys. I'm like right in front of you. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm right in front of you. Do you see me?
Yeah, we see you ghost ass.
I'll see.
That's right here, he's a fucking ghost.
But I can't run though. I can't run. That's stupid. So you guys.
Are you like Casper or are you like someone else?
I'm Casper, the friendly ghost. I'm walking with you guys on that. Like we're just
You know, I
friends.
wish at moments I was a guy because you're in a perfect
Look at this
keypad.
damn body right here, guys.
But you can, I don't think you can see me.
Like everything's like real bright. Like everything's mist. It's not darkness. It's mist. You guys just approached a windmill.
I don't know,
I don't even know. Yo, sniper in the back. Dude, you guys are just straight leaving. You guys are just leaving Cyrus. And I think his freaking flashlight just died.
Ah, 6 or 6.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We need 2 more and then we got this. We need 2 more. Just 2 more.
Better headshots and phase longs and all positive.
Alright, so far this video is actually doing a lot better than the other one. This is just crazy. I think it's because I didn't know how to play, and I still kind of don't, because I died like a retard. Wait a minute.
Anybody near me?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, but where's Sniper?
Oh, he's behind.
Where's Sniper? What happened to Sniper? Did we lose him? We like straight. We ditched Sniper.
We can go straight or left.
Wait on Sniper.
Yo, Sniper is dead. Sniper's gonna die, dude.
He's right behind us, dude. You better hurry, Casey. I'll leave you.
He's like all the way back there. You guys better hurry up. Hurry up. Go, just go. Come on, alright, snipers are here. Snipers are here.
Yeah,
Oh,
snipers.
what the hell? I can't run, guys. Let's go, snipe. We can do this. Come on.
Like one part.
Alright, it's all good. Alright, so.
I got another one.
Oh, we're back to the guillotine thing. Oh god, watch out, guys. Oh, it's under this thing. It's under the guillotine shape.
I see it.
Oh, I'm
Stay away. Ah, dang.
Oh, he's blocking, guys.
Get to that.
Each other, don't go.
I can't get it. It's hard. Like a fucking bag. I see it.
Maybe I can get it. Maybe I can get it.
You can't fucking get
No,
it.
I'm sorry. I tried.
I got it.
I tried.
I'm
Alright,
dead.
we
I'm
need
dead.
one
I'm
more.
dead if I don't run. Come over here. I'm stuck.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Where are you going? Turn
Right
around.
here. Turn around and go this way. Turn around and go this way, guys.
Which one?
Oh my god, you're leading us in a circle.
Oh, you.
Yes,
Oh
Cyrus.
god. Yep, we're going this way.
Oh, that. Oh, I was following Cyrus the whole time. Oh. Okay. No, I was following Cyrus. I didn't even know that. Oh, guys, there's a river type thing on our left. Watch out.
We're missing one more.
One more tape. I think we can do this. We can probably
Too
do
young
this.
for that, dude. I'm only 16. Only 16.
We can do this.
Besides, whoever goes, if somebody was brave enough to go out here and do this stuff, then they deserve to die. Cause they're just straight up fucking cars. It's not that I'm scared of the dark. I'm scared of the things in the dark.
True. Nah, man, but this is creepy. This water is pretty cool, though.
I'm up.
Alright, we need one more tape, guys, and then I want to see what happens at the end. You think we can make it? You think we can do it?
I don't think we can. I don't know.
I swear, dude, if we don't, I'm mad.
If I get all 8
I know where
tapes,
the next
if
tape
I get
is,
all
like,
8
well.
tapes, you gotta give a shout out.
Wait, hold on. What did you say, Cyrus? Do you know where it's at?
I know where the next tape is. It's next to the it's the statues with their tongues sticking out. Maybe
No,
he's
that's
in
the
there
first
yet.
tape I picked up.
No, that was the one laying on the ground.
Behind.
No, I got it off the statue. with the tongue
Guys,
sticking out.
we gotta go. He's behind us. We gotta go.
Behind. Forward.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Cyrus died. Cyrus died.
I don't care.
I think Cyrus just died. Did you die, Cyrus?
Yeah, I'm alive.
What the hell?
There's the one with the
Well,
guy
who the
with
hell
tongue
screamed?
sticking out. That's the first
Oh,
tape.
what the hell?
Sounds creepy.
Oh, this looked like a bird real quick.
Sounds like he's in a fucking period.
This tongue.
He got me.
I knew you. Oh, yeah, there she. Uh-oh.
Once he makes you scream.
Sniper's next. I lost you. Yeah, you guys have to stay real close because Sniper's
Oh,
with
no.
No, like I'm guessing he's out, I guess.
Hey, well, stay really close.
You guys gotta stay close to each other.
Where the hell is it?
Oh, AWOL is dead. Sniper, it's up to you. Sniper, you can do it.
Can he get the clutch?
Come on, Sniper, you can do it. Just look for it, man. You can
Stephen
do it.
King's missed mixed in with them.
That's what I said. Alright, you can do it, Sniper. I believe in you. But wait, I can hear the tape. Shh, I can hear the tape. No, go back. Come back. I have the tape over here. Come back. Sniper, turn around. No. Oh, you're gonna die now, Sniper. Turn around. Come this way. He says. I can hear the tape over here somewhere. Did anybody else hear it? Alright.
Oh, no, it's that green. thing. It's that
Ah,
green thing.
crap. Alright, my bad. Don't go into the green thing. What the hell?
Is he lagging or is
He's lagging. He's lagging, but I don't know. It's weird. Oh, he died. Oh, damn, guys.
I believe player of the game goes to
I'm
AWOL.
done. Yeah, AWOL should have got that. I'm done. Alright, guys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Base OG plays White Noise with Orbit Cyrus, Super AWOL, and the OP Sniper. Stay tuned for part 2 so we can try to complete this. Alright, guys. Talk to you guys later.